As a homeowner in Redmond, Washington, you know that the right improvements can make a world of difference to both the look and functionality of your home. One of the most impactful, yet often overlooked, upgrades is door replacement. Whether you're replacing an outdated front door, patio doors, or even interior doors, the right door can significantly enhance your home's curb appeal, security, and energy efficiency. In fact, door replacement is one of the smartest home improvement investments you can make for both immediate and long-term benefits. Here's why door replacement is a smart move for homeowners in Redmond. Boost your home's curb appeal. The exterior of your home plays a big role in how your property is perceived by guests, potential buyers, and passers-by. Your front door is one of the first features people notice, and a worn-out, outdated door can detract from the overall aesthetic. Replacing your door is one of the most straightforward ways to elevate your home's curb appeal. New doors come in a variety of styles, colors, and materials, making it easy to choose one that complements your home's architecture. Whether you go for a classic wooden door, a sleek fiberglass entry, or a bold steel door, upgrading your front door can make a significant visual impact. In Redmond, where homes range from traditional craftsmen to modern designs, door replacement allows you to personalize your home's exterior and create a welcoming, stylish entryway that reflects your taste. Enhanced security for your family's security is a top priority for every homeowner, and your front door is the main entry point for potential intruders. Older doors or doors with outdated locking mechanisms can make your home an easy target. A new, high-quality door offers superior security features that protect your family and your belongings. Modern doors come with reinforced frames and multi-point locking systems that make them much harder to break into. Whether you opt for a steel, fiberglass, or solid wood door, these materials are much stronger than older, flimsy doors. Additionally, many new doors feature impact-resistant glass, which makes it harder for intruders to break the glass and gain entry. Installing a new door can give you peace of mind knowing your home is more secure. Improved energy efficiency. Redmond experiences a wide range of weather conditions, from cool, wet winters to warm summers. Maintaining a comfortable indoor temperature year-round can be challenging if your doors are inefficient at keeping the elements out. Older doors, especially those with gaps or poor insulation, can allow drafts to enter, causing your heating and cooling systems to work harder and increasing your energy bills. Energy-efficient doors are designed to reduce air leakage and prevent heat transfer. Fiberglass and steel doors are excellent choices for energy efficiency, as they are typically better insulated than traditional wooden doors. Many modern doors also feature insulated cores, weather stripping, and double-glazed glass, which help to keep the temperature inside your home stable. By replacing your old door with an energy-efficient one, you'll reduce your energy consumption, lower utility costs, and create a more comfortable living environment. Increased home value. Homeowners in Redmond are always looking for ways to enhance the value of their properties, whether they're planning to sell soon or just want to improve their home for the long term. Door replacement is one of the most cost-effective ways to boost your home's value. A new, High-quality door can make your home more attractive to potential buyers, especially if your current door is outdated or worn. Potential buyers often take note of how well a home has been maintained, and an updated front door can signal that the home is in good condition. Homes with modern, stylish, and secure doors stand out in the market, and a new door can be a key selling point when it comes time to sell your home. If you're planning to sell in the future, upgrading your door now is a smart investment that can deliver a high return on investment. Better functionality and convenience. An old door can be difficult to operate, especially if the mechanism is sticking or the frame is warped. Door replacement ensures that your door functions smoothly, making it easier to open, close, and lock. Whether it's a front door, patio door, or sliding glass door, replacing your door will improve ease of use and enhance daily convenience. Additionally, new doors come with improved seals, preventing drafts and moisture from entering. This makes the home more comfortable and eliminates the frustration of trying to close a door that doesn't latch properly or has weather stripping that's no longer working. Long-term durability and low maintenance. Older doors often require constant maintenance, from repainting wooden doors to fixing worn-out hardware. With new fiberglass, steel, or composite doors, you'll enjoy much lower maintenance needs. These materials are highly durable, resistant to the elements, and require little upkeep compared to traditional wooden doors. Whether you choose a fiberglass door that mimics the look of wood without the maintenance or a steel door that stands up to the weather, you'll enjoy long-lasting performance without the hassle of frequent repairs. Conclusion. Door replacement is a smart investment for homeowners in Redmond, offering numerous benefits, including enhanced security, improved energy efficiency, better curb appeal, and long-term durability. Whether you're upgrading your front door, replacing patio doors, or choosing energy-efficient options, a new door can elevate the functionality and aesthetic of your home. It's a cost-effective way to increase your home's value, make it more secure, and create a more comfortable living environment. With a variety of materials, styles, and features to choose from, door replacement is an investment that will benefit you now and for years to come.